David.
This is Dominic getting owned by the Airsoft.
Make sure you get me in the shot.
Now look at this. It's Angelo going to shoot him. It's gonna be pretty awesome.
Oh! Freaking hurt.
Can you see me, Matthew?
Not in the face.
Why do you care if it's in the face? You have a helmet on.
Ah!
That didn't even hurt you.
This is so funny. That's 3. That's 2.
That's 2.
Oh, I have a whole pocket full of them.
2. Ah!
That didn't even hurt you.
It's scary.
Dominic's being a little wimp.
Oh, yeah, he is. Fuck.
That hurts.
Let's not put this on YouTube.
I know.
That hurt. I have a welt.
Gonna get more than that if you don't shut up.
Still hurt me. Yeah. That's. Stop it. It's gross.
That's 4. Oh! Right in the arm sack.
Why does everything have a sag?
Fail block. Ow! That's 5. That's 15 more. That's 15 more. Oh, you're in the camera, aren't you?
In the ass. Take it, Matthew. Take it right in the butt.
Sack.
Oh, it's...
Shut up, Chaz. I'll punch you in the crap-lazy face.
That's 6. You gotta watch this. This is gonna be awesome. That's 7.
No, it's not.
Hit him.
Oh, I'm going until I'm done with the BBs. Whether you have the mask on.
Oh, right in the hand sack.
Ow.
Right in the hand sack.
Move your hands. Oh, crap.
This is how the original sucks. Ow! Play the testicles and play the camera. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay, this is down my board. Stop shooting me. You gotta try this. This is scary. To get hit in the face with a